Manipur today observed the 129th Patriots' Day, which marks the bravery and supreme sacrifices made by Manipuri soldiers during the Anglo-Manipuri War 1891. The British hanged Bir Tikendrijit and Thangal General on this very day of 1891 for waging war against the British. The state-level 129th Patriots' Day was observed at the Bir Tikendrijit Park or BT Park in Imphal City. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam were among who attended the program. COVID-19 claimed one more life in Manipur today, taking the death toll in the state to 13, official sources said. The patient died after he contracted pneumonia at the Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS, Imphal. The deceased has been identified as Y. Ibungo, age 37 years, son of Y. Chandramani from Mayang, Imphal, Poncha. He was a personnel of Narcotic and Affairs of Border, NAB. He became the first frontline worker to have succumbed to coronavirus in the state. In the last 24 hours, 41 people have been tested COVID positive in Manipur. Of this, 34 belong to the general population and 7 are personnel of Central Armed Police Force CAPF. With a record single-day increase of 66,999 cases, India's COVID-19 tally mounted to 23,96,637 today, while the number of patients who have recovered from the disease surged to 16,95,982, pushing the recovery rate to 70.77% in the country, according to the Union Health Ministry. The death toll due to COVID-19 climbed to 47,033, with 942 people succumbing to the disease in the last 24 hours. The case fatality rate in the country has declined to 1.96%. There are 6,53,622 active COVID-19 cases in the country presently, which accounts to 27.27% of its total cash load. Joint Students Coordinating Committee JSCC, an apex body of MSU, MSF and SUK, observed Patriots' Day at Tera Market in Imphal today. Convener of JSCC Dhanakumar Ningthauja, along with attendees, paid floral tribute to the martyrs and observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah today announced the name of 20 personnel of Manipur Police Department to be given this year's Chief Minister's Police Medal for Gallantry and Chief Minister's Police Medal for Outstanding Devotion to Duty. Manipur state-level CPI also commemorated the 129th Patriots' Day in different parts of Manipur. Party leader L. Sotin Kumar led in paying floral tributes to the photos of Bir Tikendrijit, Thangal General and Pukhramba Kajau in Sanjembam, Santipur in Imphal East. In Imphal West, the party observed the day at Kangmong Maisnam Lekai. Under the supervision of District Health Society Jiribam, the Barak Area Presbyterian Church and Mission, Jiribam today organized a public awareness program on COVID-19 at 4 different locations of Jiribam. The volunteers used loudspeakers during the awareness program and distributed leaflets and face masks to people. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC commemorated the 129th Patriots' Day at the Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Imphal. Congress Legislator Party Leader Okram Ibobi, Congress Working Committee Member Gai Khangam, PCC President Moirang Them Okendra and other party leaders took part in the program. The 129th Patriots' Day was also observed at Chingdong Lekai in Lakhipur, Kasar, under Assam. As a part of the observance, the participants paid floral tributes to the photographs of late Bir Tikendrijit and Thangal General.